to the chase. I ain't somebody who stays in one place. Ready to go, I'm coming to play. You better know I still got something to say. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game.
That was a fun little adventure. It's nice that we got out. And I think we're going to go home, go back to the campsite, get the trailer hitched up. Tomorrow, which is Monday, we will try again, and hopefully everybody will be at work and at school, because the majority of the crowds are probably from the college students that just arrived back at school. So I'm going to put the camera down for the walk back, mainly because of these trees and bushes around here. So I'm going to put the camera down now, and we're going to make our way back to the van. Then we'll pick you back up in the morning, and we will resume our adventure attempt then. So see you then. And we are back to a nice empty parking lot. So nice and calm. Winnie's ready to go. And we're going to get out and get this hike done I've been promising for 2 days. All right, we're gonna head up to Crescent Lake here. So we're going to Crescent Lake. We have a 1.3 mile trip the way Winnie is waiting. And a 1.4 mile trip the other way. So it looks like we'll try to make a 2.7 mile loop out of this. Hey, 0.1 mile already.
Oh my God, I didn't. I can't.
If you're wondering why Winnie seems to be on the leash when we're walking past the camera, and then when we're not doing stuff like that, I have the leash. It's because she doesn't really like the back and forth. So if I don't have the leash on, she makes it really hard to film. But if I keep her on the leash, I can drop it where I want her to stay, and it's almost like an anchor. And then filming's a lot easier. She's pretty well trained off leash, so I'll just let her wander around and do her thing. She's acting kind of tired today, but we have been doing a lot of hiking and moving, and there's a lot of smoke in the air, and we're at a pretty good altitude, so it's a little bit thin. But it's a beautiful day, really. Couldn't ask for nicer weather and less crowds. So we're gonna keep moving and pick you up in a minute when I'm not so out of breath. Well, I think we made it. We're going to go further up the trail to make sure this is Crescent Lake, but distance, time, shape of the lake, everything seems good. But this just happened. This was absolutely crazy. I was sitting here, I had filmed these dragonflies over on this branch. I'll put the footage in there. And there was like 4 or 5 of them like stacked on top of each other doing whatever dragonflies do. And I looked up and I saw this duck kind of going in pretty good speed towards him, and I was like, what is that duck doing? And the duck kind of put its beak in the water and then kind of missiled itself right into the branches and just ate the dragonflies, all of them at once. It was the wildest thing I've ever seen. That was pretty cool. I wish I literally was just getting out a nicer zoom lens so that I could start filming the animals better, and the duck did that. It was the funniest thing and coolest thing. I've never seen a duck go full predator like that. I was pretty impressed. I've been up here for the better part of an hour just watching these ducks dive and attack dragonflies and just do duck things. They've been super calm since we got here, swimming really close into shore just to get some food. Winnie, if you look behind me, is actually just passed out by that log, waiting for me to get moving. It was a pretty nice hike up, not too difficult, not too strenuous, mostly just gorgeous. I think we're gonna head back up past the lake here and see if we can turn this into a nice little loop. I think I've sat here and watched the ducks long enough, and I think it's time to get going. This way. Well, this was definitely a good decision to come out here. It's beautiful today. Winnie seems to be having a good time. Yeah, you a good girl. Yeah, you're having a good time. Oh, squirrel. Hey, let's go. Go. So I just spotted something I haven't noticed yet before. Might be because it used to be below the lake level. All these rocks here are igneous or from a volcano. But this one over here looks like its own lava flow extrusion thing. It's pretty cool. Hopefully you can hear me. I have the wind noise thing on, but it could be blocking my noise. Hey Winnie, what's going on, girl? What's up? Alright, back to the subject at hand. Like this here, feels like sandstone. Looks like sandstone. Not very strong. Come over here, completely different type of rock. This is very much some sort of lava flow, in my opinion. You can see these lines, and it looks like it used to be vertical, and now it's horizontal. Because usually these columns form facing upward. Ooh. So here we are down at the lakeside, and you can see it's actually the tops of all those little mini columns. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This has been below the lake level for a while. It is just starting to come back up. I'm thinking we might just call the video. Whoa! Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And most importantly, I'll see you down the road.
Happens every summer. Things are moving slow. And time to unwind only gives me time to spend alone. And I can't help but wonder if anyone's in town.